Did you know that in Articulate Storyline, there's a simple tool that can help you be more professional and consistent in your visual design, all while saving time? Well, you can with text styles. Styles in Storyline are a lot like styles in Word. Each style contains the major formatting options, such as font, color, and size. You can then apply those styles wherever you want that formatting. So let's say I've got this click to reveal activity, and this is the look I want for the slide titles. So I can go to the Home tab and then Text Styles. Heading 1 is what you typically use for a slide title, but I want my formatting, not this default formatting. So I hover over it and then select Update Style from Selection. Now the Heading 1 style contains my formatting, and I can use it anywhere I want, such as on all of my master slides. Then on my pop-up layer, I can customize the Heading 2 style and apply it wherever I want. And a Heading 3 style. Heading styles are about more than just formatting, though. If you can see this screen, the size, placement, and formatting of the headings all let you know that types of to-do lists is the top-level category, paper is the subtopic, and advantages and disadvantages are subtopics. The visual hierarchy tells you those things. But what if you can't see? Well, if you're blind and are using a screen reader to tell you what's happening on the screen reader will pick up behind-the-scenes heading tags if you use styles. That way you can still determine how the content is organized. Because of that, be sure not to use one of the heading styles for something that isn't actually a heading. Let's say that on my base slide, I want to use the same formatting from the title on each of these buttons. Well, you won't want to use the Heading 1 tag simply because it has the right look, since the Heading 1 tag will come with it. But that's okay, you can make additional styles. I can select the formatted button, go back to Text Styles, and select Add Style. I'll give it a name, Button Text, and give it the normal text tag. I'd use the same process if I wanted to use the Heading 1, 2, or 3 tag somewhere else, but with a different look. On this screen, my Heading 2 is blue. But on this screen, I want my Heading 2 to be white. Now I could just apply Heading 2 in blue and change my formatting. If I did, the Heading 2 tag would still be there. But if I'm likely to use this formatting a lot, it's better to just set up an extra Heading 2 style. So I'll just add a new style, give it a name, and give it the H2, the Heading 2 tag. Then I can use it over and over again. And once your headings are set up and applied, you can update your course globally. So if I decide I'd like more color contrast on this blue for my Heading 2 style, I can update the text here on the slide, then go to the style and update the style to match the selection. Now all the text anywhere in the course that uses that style will be updated with the new color. If you take just a few minutes to set up styles, you can create a consistent, professional look quickly and also make your courses more accessible for individuals with disabilities.